Hi guys! Hopefully you guys are all doing well still, and hopefully these application problems are going good. Ms. Katowski taught you a subtraction problem yesterday, so I am going to continue with those subtraction problems. Remember, adding or addition problems, or putting things together, and subtraction problems, we are taking things away. Okay, so this says, 5 little frogs were sitting on the side of the pond. It was so hot. 2 frogs hopped in the water. How many frogs were left on the side of the pond? So if I am picturing this in my head, I'm picturing 5 frogs sitting on the side right next to the water. And I'm picturing 2 of them leaving to go into the water. So there are 5 and then 2 went away. All right, so right now, we need to start our math drawing. So we need to think about how many frogs that we started off with. So I want you to look, how many did we start off with? How many frogs were there first? Yeah, there were 5. So we had 5 frogs. So I want you to pause and draw 5 frogs. I'm going to draw my 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that we have our 5 frogs, remember we have to, when we're doing subtraction, we're taking things away. So we need to think about how many frogs went away. I'm going to read it one more time just so you can see if you can figure it out. 5 little frogs were sitting on the side of the pond. It was so hot, 2 frogs hopped in the water. How many hopped in the water? 2, you got it. So what we need to do is we need to cross off 2. So we're going to start all the way at the end and we're going to cross off 1, 2. So 1, 2. Go ahead and pause and make sure your picture looks just like mine. Okay, now we need to do a number sentence to go with this. So we need to think about how many frogs we started off with, how many left, and then, or how many jumped in the pond, and then how many are left on the side. So I'm going to do my number sentences here. So something, remember that symbol for minus or takeaway is that. So something minus something equals, and sorry, my lines are a little crooked. Okay. Pause and make sure that you have your number sentence looking just like mine. Okay. So we need to figure out what number we started with, and that's going to be our first number. When we do subtraction, the biggest number always goes first. So I see we had 5 and 2 left. So the biggest number out of those is 5. You got it. All right, so we're going to write 5 here because that's how many frogs we started off with. Five, and then we want to see how many we took away. So 5, take away, I want you to count how many we took away. You got it, we took away 1, 2. So 5, take away 2. Oops. 5, take away 2 is, and then we need to see what is left. So we have all of these left. All those are the frogs that are still in the land. So I want you to count up how many frogs are left. You got it. There are 1, 2, 3. So we are going to write 5 minus 2 equals 3. And another way I can say it is 5 take away 2 equals 3. And if I do that with my fingers, I can also do this. If I have 5 frogs here, I take away 1, 2 frogs, and look at how many I have left. 1, 2, 3. All right, guys. So hopefully all these subtraction problems are going well. If not, please let us know, and we can try to help you out a little bit more. All right. Hopefully you guys got outside yesterday. It was beautiful. I know I got outside and did some fun hikes with my kids and did some bike riding and things like that. So hopefully you guys are getting outside and doing some fun stuff too in between your learning. All right. Bye.